Good afternoon, students. I'm Kiran Mai, working as a social teacher in BC Welfare. I would like to congratulate all the students who have cleared their SSC this year. They have seen lots of ups and downs. Let me congratulate all of them. I wish a very bright future to them. And I would like to tell all the students that I am going to make few videos related to subject, and I would post them in the YouTube channel. So whenever you have doubts, you can go back to those sites and you can check your data subject. So today I am back with a new topic: how to handle failures. As we know that people crave for victories. People love to see victories in their life. They celebrate, they enjoy whenever they achieve something. But nobody would be willing or interested to encounter failures in their life. They are even scared of that thought itself. But failures make people perfect. They are the stepping stones towards success. You should know how to handle failures. That is the brightest and beautiful task of human life, because human life is filled up with lots of ups and downs. Life is not constant, it will be changing all the time, and you should know how to balance your lives. You should neither be very happy with the overwhelming response when you achieve something, nor you should be very much depressed when you are down in your life. And the person who has been continuously winning over in all the situations will be in a dilemma that whatever he thinks is correct, whatever he says is proper and appropriate. Even if a small storm comes in his life, he won't be able to tackle it properly, and he becomes low and gets depressed. So here the thing which is very important is how you should handle your failures, because whomever we are seeing today, the successful people in our society are those who have seen failures for n number of times. With every failure, they learn something or the other. And there is a famous quote which is given by poet Samuel Beckett: ever tried, ever failed, no matter. Try again, fail better. So, the number of times that you fail, the stronger you will become one day. Because the people who have been continuously winning over all throughout their life, they will not be able to handle if something wrong happens in their life. They will not be able to tackle that situation. And the people who have been continuously failing, they have a hope in their mind that one day or the other day they will definitely achieve whatever they want. They have more credentials when you compare to the people who have been winning all over. So what you should do when you encounter failure in your life? You should seek for a proper, appropriate feedback from the people who really respect you, who really want you to be doing good things in life. Take feedback from those people and try to acknowledge the fact that you have failed. First of all, what happens is when a person fails in his life, he tries to set that topic aside, and he would not be interested to even acknowledge that he has failed. First thing that you have to do is you should acknowledge that you have failed. Then you should go to the very root cause why you have failed. Try to acknowledge the irrational facts about failures and develop the realistic approach towards winning. That makes you a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. Keep practicing until you get succeeded in life. There is nothing wrong if you fail. That is very common. If you don't fail, then you will be having a fear in your mind all the time that what will happen in the next phase of my life. Till now I haven't failed anywhere. What would be my situation if I have to encounter something for which I am not prepared for? That is a very dangerous situation. So failing is very common. First accept that fact and try to act on that act and try to bring out all the mistakes that you have done and try to rectify them. And all of a sudden people try to push everything on somebody else's shoulders. They try to blame others for their failure. That is not correct. First of all, you have to acknowledge your responsibility towards that failure. Then only you can rectify your mistake. Maybe there are people who are trying to depress you. Maybe there are people who are trying to stop you in your journey. But you are not the person, you should not be the person who should give chance to others. Even if they are trying to depress you also, you should just get away with the only positive thing in your mind that, okay, whatever it is, I will face the life. I will try and try till I get it. That should be your positive approach towards life. Because there are people always, because we are living in a society, here there are a number of different types of people you encounter in a day-to-day life. They will disturb you, definitely. They will try to stop you. And don't try to always look for those people who depress you, but take the feedback from those people who encourage you, who motivate you, who wants you to win in life. Try to take feedback from such people. So I hope you all understood what I would like to say. In a few sentences, I tried my level best to say thing. I will be back with the next any other topic, and I will be back again to you all. Good day.